The name of our app is Engage for Change. The first thing the user sees is a welcome page where there's an option for login sign up. We have used Google's Firebase authentication feature for login and sign up. And in fact, we have used Firebase for all our cloud database requirements. This app is built on Flutter framework and both our front-end and back-end uses Dart language. After the user gets signed in, he lands up on a home page where he can see all the volunteering opportunities posted by individuals or organizations. There's also a feature to share on a wide variety of platforms. The user can see all other users registered on the app from this section and see the past opportunities posted by them. There's also an unfollow follow option. The user can post a new opportunity from this section after entering the required details and selecting the specific tags, and then click post your job. Right now I have not entered details, that's why it shows an error. Then there is a profile section where user can see the past opportunities posted by him and edit the profile image, banner image or name. There is a short tutorial where a new user can go through to get a grasp of the idea. Then there is a short about us section. The sliders on this home page were built on the idea that when a volunteer gets done with a volunteering opportunity, he can upload those images and those images would run on the sliders.